Hi guys, I'm gonna show you how to create a Codeberg page. So first of all, you will need an account. This is my account. After that, log in and create a new repository. Okay, right here, repository name. You have to name this repository pages. Like this. Then straightforward create a repository. Okay, there we go. Now, I want to host on Codeberg this website that was an old art project that I have created. This thing, simple background, Unix clock, really simple stuff. Please don't judge me. So, let's upload. I'm gonna upload this. Really simple, my icon, my background, and my index.html, the actual code. Right here, you can create a directory, so it's like a folder. I don't really need that as my project is really simple. So I'm limiting myself to just uploading everything, and that's fine. I'm gonna write right here upgrading, or maybe moving, it would be better. Moving from GitHub to Codeberg. Let's go. Commit changes. Okay, right now you should wait a bit for your website to deploy because Codeberg needs to kinda load everything that you have just uploaded into your website. So just wait a bit, like 5 minutes or something, depending on the complexity of the website. I would suggest from 5 to 10 minutes, it should be fine. And after that, you should be able to visit your website with this button. Now, let me wait a bit. Okay, let's see if it works. Please work, please work, please. And the answer is yes, it works. If I help you with that, please help me too with the algorithm, you know, leave a like, subscribe. If you don't care, it's fine. And hopefully I will see you in the next one, I guess. See ya!